Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in your YouTube and also change the location or the country of in your youtube.com here. So first of all, you need to go to any browser and open the YouTube here, and also you have to log into your account here in the right corner here. As you can see, I have a profile picture of my account here. So just simply log in with your Gmail account or email, whatever you use to log in and sign in the YouTube here. And as you can see in the YouTube logo here, there's a AU letter here. That means I have changed my location on YouTube into Australia here. And also you can see all the settings here are in written in English here. So if you just click on your profile here in the account here in the right corner, and if you go down, you will see option called location here, as you can see, which is now in Australia. So if you just click on it, you will see all the country here, so you can also choose your location from here. So if I choose the location of Canada here, and it will refresh the YouTube here, and as you can see the YouTube location is changed here and it's changed into Canada here. So if you want to change the location, the language here, you also need to change the you don't need to change the location here, you just have to change the language here. So you have to click on your profile here again, and you will see option called language here, which is in now British English here. So if you click on it, you will see all the language here. So if you want to change any language here, just choose any language. So for example, if I choose Espanol here, which is Spanish I guess, click on it and it will refresh again. And as you can see, all the settings of the YouTube is now changed into Spanish language here. So that's it guys, this is how you change the language and also the location or the country settings in your YouTube here. So change the language in phone, there is no option like this. You have to go to the settings in your phone and change the language of your settings, then the YouTube will change the language. So that's it guys, this is how you change the language and also the country location in YouTube here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.